Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will learn how to draw a boy in a simple and easy way. Grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. Begin by sketching a circle for the head. Below it draw an oval for the body. This will help us establish the proportions. Next, add guidelines on the face, a vertical line down the middle and a horizontal line across the center will help us place the eyes, nose and mouth later. Now let's draw the eyes on the horizontal line. Add simple ovals for the eyes and small circle inside for the pupil. For the nose, a small triangle will work and curved lines for the mouth. Sketch the hair using simple shapes. You can make it spiky, curly, or any style you like. Remember to keep it loose and natural. Now outline the arms and legs. For the arms, draw simple cylindrical shapes extending from the shoulder. The legs can be similar with oval for the feet. Add some clothing details like a t-shirt and shorts. Use simple lines to intricate folds and contour. Go over your drawing and refine lines, erasing and any unnecessary guidelines. You can add details like shoes or backpack to give your boy character. And there you have it, an easy drawing of a boy. Keep patching and don't be afraid to experiment with different styles. Thanks for watching and happy drawing. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.